Hello everyone, welcome back to my English channel. Many students have requested me to make a separate video for all the exercises of chapter 2 titled The White Elephant written by Ruskin Bond. तो मैं आज लेकर आ गया हूँ क्वेश्चन आंसर का यह वीडियो. We will do all the exercises like horse, life skills, values and writing section. So don't skip the video and it would better if you take out your notebook at the same time and write all the things. So without any delay, let's move to question answer. और हाँ बच्चों, मैं इसको हिंदी में नहीं समझाऊंगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपको जो मैंने एक वीडियो दिया था जिसमें चैप्टर को पूरा पढ़ाया गया था, उस वीडियो में काफी मैं अच्छे से हिंदी में समझाया हूं. तो आई होप कि आपने सारा वर्ड्स आपने लिख लिया होगा और सारा कुछ आपने कर लिया होगा. सो अब मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन को बस इंग्लिश में ही पढ़ूंगा क्योंकि वीडियो फिर लंबा हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 2 or 3 sentences each. How did the white elephant help the forester? The white elephant helped the forester by carrying him through the forest and leaving him on the outskirts of the city. Why did the white elephant's mother advise him not to help the man in distress? The white elephant's mother advised him not to help the man in distress because she was familiar with the tricks of human beings of gaining sympathy of animals and then capturing them for their use. You can take here a screenshot and write. How did the forester respond to the white elephant's good deed? The forester was a greedy and cunning man. He responded to the white elephant's good deed by informing the king about him. He went back to the forest with a band of trainers and captured him for the king and earned rewards. Why did the white elephant refuse to eat anything in the palace? The white elephant refused to eat anything in the palace because he was worried about his old and blind mother who was alone and starving. How did the king help the white elephant? The king was a nobleman. He helped the white elephant by understanding his problem. Although he badly wanted the elephant for himself, he made him free from captivity and allowed him to return to his old and blind mother. Horse. Noble animal, your goodness puts mankind to shame. Discuss the characters of the forester and the white elephant in the light of this comment by the king. The forester was a cunning and cruel man. He betrayed the elephant that helped him in time of need. On the other hand, the white elephant was kind-hearted and pure. Life skills. Let us forget the treachery of the forester and think only of the king's goodness. Discuss with your partner the importance of developing such a positive attitude towards life. The forester was a greedy man who betrayed the white elephant. The king, on the other hand, was noble and generous, who understood the problem of the white elephant and freed it from the captivity. In life, we should focus on positive things rather than negative. Take a screenshot here and write. Values. Imagine yourself to be the king. Deliver a speech to your countrymen highlighting the importance of love for animals and condemning man's cruel treatment of animals. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to deliver a speech on the importance of love for animals. They cannot speak like us, but they can show their love and emotions. Animals are more loyal to us than humans. For example, if you have a pet dog, you will find that it can better welcome you and be more excited about seeing you than many humans. They are like some of our best friends. They can be loyal to us. Also, they can defend and die for us. I cannot imagine a world without animals. They need to be treated with love, compassion, and care. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, the greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. We can't have nobility and dignity if we do not extend it to the animal kingdom. We can never be truly in touch with our soul if we do not realize that animals can suffer pain and sorrow like us. I feel sad for the people who don't have love for animals. I hope you would be able to understand the importance of animals. Thank you. तो बच्चों मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए एक बार फिर से मैं सारा क्वेश्चन दिखा दे रहा हूं. You just take the screenshot from the beginning. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.